Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we will discuss quadratic equations. So let's student just recall the polynomial. Now suppose this I am writing. It's a polynomial. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay. Now the maximum power of this variable x is 3. So we say order is 3. Same way if I write this, here highest power of variable x I have taken 2. So here order is 2. If I write in this way by taking 2 terms, what is the order? 3. Here order 2. Here also order 2. So when the order of the polynomial is 2, see in these 3 cases, here I have taken order 2, here also I have taken order 2, same way here also order 2, then that kind of polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. Because order is 2. Now this polynomial, when I make it equal to 0, so I have converted this in equation, then it is known as quadratic equation. Same way for this quadratic equation will be this. For this quadratic equation is this. So when quadratic polynomial is make it equal to 0, then it gets converted into equation and we say it is quadratic equation. Now I am writing one of the polynomial. Now when I make it equal to 0, it is a quadratic equation. Now how I have arranged? First x square term, then x, then without x. So actually it is like this. This term has 0 power. That's why we won't write it. Now you have to keep in this way. It is a standard form. The coefficient of x square is considered as a. Coefficient of x is considered as b. And coefficient of x raised to 0, that is the last term, that is considered as c. Now, so standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Suppose I am taking this equation. So first you transfer 4 this side. Now it is in the standard form. Same way, transfer, it will be minus 5x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. First term should never be, a value should never be negative. Change the sign of whole equation. So now it is in standard form. Now students, I have written 4 equations. Let's find which one is the quadratic equation. Now in this already it is in the standard form. Now order of the equation is 2. You know that when order of the equation is 2, then you can say it is a quadratic equation. Here, first you multiply all with y. All the terms with y. Here y will get cancelled. You will get y square plus 1. Transfer 7 by this side. Now, what is the highest order? 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Same way, just see here. 3y cube get cancelled. Then you will get 2x square minus 7 equals to 0. Now order is 2. Again it is a quadratic equation. Now here, I'll multiply all the terms with x. This method will give you the simplified form within one step. Now when you just cancel out, I'll get x cube plus 7x, transfer 3 this side. Now order is 3. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Understood? Now, student, just see, this is also one of the quadratic equation only. Transfer 49 this side. Now, this is the square of x. This is the square of 7. So, you will get 2 bracket, x minus 7, x plus 7. So, either your first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. So, x equals to 7 or x equals to minus 7. So, your solution of this equation is minus 7 or 7. You can solve this by this method also. Take square root on both the side. Then your x will be plus minus 7. Again our solution set is minus 7 and 7. So, if the quadratic equation is in this form, you can solve in this way. Now, this is the second form of the quadratic equation. How to solve? Take x common. When you take x common from this binomial, you will get 3x minus 7 inside the bracket. Then your either x is 0 or this 3x minus 7 is 0. So, x is 0 or your 3x equals to 7. X is 0 or your x is 7 by 3. So, your solution set will be 0 and 7 by 3. Same way we will solve this. Take x common. You will get like this. So, either your x is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. X is 0 or x equals to 2. So, your solution set is 0, 2. Now, student, previously I explained if the quadratic equation is in binomial form, how to solve. Now, when the quadratic equation is in the trinomial form, how to solve? If this part of polynomial is trinomial, how to solve? Okay. Now, first we will deal with factorization method. Different forms are there. First, I am dealing with the part where third part has the positive sign. We have to find two factors in such a way their multiplication should be 54 and addition should be 15. So, you know 6 9s are 54. 6 plus 9, 15. Then you just look at this sign. If this is negative, both the terms will be negative. Then only multiplication will be positive. Now, instead of this minus 15x, write minus 6x, minus 9x, then plus 54 as it is. Now, take common. From this, x is common. Here, 9 is common. When you are taking negative common, then this positive sign will get converted into negative sign. 9 6 are 54. So, one of your bracket is x minus 6, other is x minus 9. Therefore, x minus 6 equals to 0 or your second bracket will be equal to 0. So your x is 6 or x equals to 9. Therefore, your solution set has two values 6 and 9. See, again I have written last sign as positive. So I require two factors in such a way. Multiplication is 72 and addition is 70. So 8 9s are 72. 8 plus 9, 17. Now then this sign is positive. So both the factors will have positive sign. So y square plus 8y plus 9y plus 72 equals to 0. When you take y common, it will be y plus 8. When you take 9 common, 9 8s are 72. So your brackets are y plus 8, y plus 9 equals to 0. Now we can solve it further to get the two values of y. So here my y is minus 8 and here my y is minus 9. Now just see, these are the two values. Now previous whatever sum I have solved, there also we have deal with this addition. Here also addition. But in previous sum, this sign was negative. So both the values I was getting positive. Here it is positive. So both the values I am getting negative. So when you go with the addition, always you are getting two values of same sign. Okay, this thing you have to keep in mind. And these values are known as the roots of equation. So minus 8 and minus 9, they are known as the roots of these equation. Okay, generally we consider these roots as alpha and beta. So for this equation, my alpha is minus 8 and my beta is minus 9. Again I have taken where the positive sign is there. But in the previous two equations, my coefficient of x square was 1. But here coefficient is 2, means other than 1. In that case, first you multiply these two numbers. So it is 26. Now find out the factors of 26 so that addition is 27. So I can take 26 ones are 26 plus 1 is 27. Then look at this sign. So both will be positive. So I can write, instead of 27y, we can write 26y plus y. Generally we won't write 1 plus 13 equals to 0. Now take 2y common. Then only y remains. 2 13s are y I have taken common. When nothing is common, take 1 common. So your one of the bracket is y plus 13 and other is 2y plus 1. So either your first bracket is 0 or your second bracket is 0. So here you are getting value minus 13. Here first transfer 1, then 2. So your y is minus 1 by 2. So your solution set is minus 13 minus 1 by 2. So what you have to keep in mind, this is my a. When value of a is other than 1, you will get one of the value in fraction. That's sure. Sometime the equation is in such a way, both the values you are getting in fraction. But keep in mind, surely you will get at least one value in fraction. Now student, just see, this sign is negative. In that case, how you have to find the factors? Multiplication should be 24 and subtraction should be 5. So you know 8 3s are 24. Difference of 8 and 3 is 5. So that's true. Now look at this sign. This sign will go to the larger number, smaller will have the opposite. So now instead of plus 5x, we can write plus 8x minus 3x minus 24 equals to 0. When you take x common, x plus 8 minus when you are taking common, I already told this sign will get changed. 3 8s are 24. So your values are, you can solve. Now your value of x is minus 8 or it is 3. So what you have observed? When we go with the difference, if last sign is negative, you will get both the factors of different sign. One is positive, other is negative. Students, let's solve this one. Multiplication should be 63 and difference should be 2. So it is 9 7s are 63. Now this sign is negative. So larger will get negative sign, other will get positive. So instead of this minus 2x, we can write minus 9x plus 7x. Okay. Then take x common. It will be x minus 9 plus 7 common. X minus 9. So your brackets are x minus 9, x plus 7. So x minus 9 equals to 0 or x plus 7 equals to 0. X is 9. Or x is minus 7. So again you got one value positive, other value negative. Students, now a value is other than 1. So multiply 16 3s are 48. So you have to find the factors of 48 such that their difference is 2. So 8 6 are 48, difference is 2. This sign will go here. This will have opposite sign. Now, you can write this lower one also first. In this way also you can write. Then solution is little bit easier. Take 3x common, it will be x plus 2. Here take minus 8 common. This sign will change. 8 2s are 16. So one of the bracket is x plus 2. 3x minus 8. So your x plus 2 is 0 or 3x minus 8 is 0. So your x is minus 2 or your x is 8 by 3. So your solution set is minus 2 and 8 by 3. Already I told when value of a is other than 1, at least one factor is in fraction. That means sometime you will get both the factors in fraction. Students, thanks for watching this video. Further part of the quadratic equation we will discuss in the next video.